Okay, thank you for coming to the Member Resource Center video. And in this video, I'm actually going to just show you briefly how to create an account on our portal. So the first thing to do is you open up Internet Explorer. I don't want it to be my default browser. I'm just doing this just to help you visualize and see exactly how it's done. So you go to you type in my, S as in Sam, E as in Echo, I as in India, U as in Umbrella, benefits, BENEFITS .org. So, and then the first thing is, so you're a first time user, you want to sign up and create an account. You would actually go to this sign up button here and click on sign up. And then you would put in your badge ID or your student ID. It's called a badge ID or student ID. And then name is Tester. Well, I hope your first name is not Tester, but this is just for verification purposes. And then you go DDD parent, Okay? And then you would click the next button. So it'll verify, it'll ask you to verify all your information. It'll show your student ID, your first name, your last name, everything, your address, your phone number. If everything is in accordance, everything is fine, you would hit next. And then it'll ask you for your username. Now, usually when you're choosing a username, choose something that you can remember, something easy. I would say, your first name, last name, first letter, L, let's say L, whatever, think of anything, L, CE classes, whatever, Lee, Kenya, just think of whatever, anything you can remember, and I'll just use the word password, and then type in again, password. And favorite pet, whatever, you can get down to the drop down menu, whatever something you can remember as a hint, or security question, mother's maiden name, birth city, whatever, it's just to create an account. You don't even have to have an email. So L Kenya and password. Okay, and then you hit the next button. And there you go, and it has now confirmed. You're now confirmed. It's asking you to confirm that, hey, this is you, your first name, last name, username, and your password. Make sure you write them down. It's always advisable to write down your username and password. Or if you have a CAPTCHA, one of those browsers that will keep in memory your username and password, just do that, And then you would hit the next button. And then just log in, L Kenya, and your username. That's your username, and your password was password. And that's how you get to create an account. Okay? So that's the first video, and once you log in, it'll show you whatever the best way to look at it. The first thing you do whenever you log in is to, first of all, come here and check. Make sure it has your name. All your name information is correct. Your student ID information is correct. And then you would go all the way down here and check, safety orientation, whatever, and it'll tell you continuous education. That's what you're looking at. What are you required to take? This is the first thing to check, and it'll tell you how many hours you're required to take, and how many hours you've completed and when your deadline is. So this stack here, we call it the left-hand stack. This will show you all the vital information concerning your training. All right, thank you.